Let us see the circular queue program. First, we'll include the necessary header files, that is standard input-output.h and standard library.h. Next, we'll define a constant, that is hash define max of 5. Here constant in the sense the value which cannot be changed. Next, we'll create an array character q of max. We have named the array as q and we have set the array size as 5, that is max, and we have created a variable, that is item, which is of type character. Next, we have created integer of variables, that is int front equal to 0, rear equal to -1 and count equal to 0. Here count equal to 0 means still there are no existing elements in the circular queue. Next, we have created three types of functions: void insert, void delete and void display. And in the main function we have created one more variable, that is int choice. While the condition is 1, it will print the choices, that is insert, delete, display and exit, and it will print a statement called enter your choice. Scanf %d and choice means which will take the input from the user. Next, we have made use of switch statement which will take the choices from the user. So when the user enters an choice in the scanf, this choice will be pointed towards this switch function. If the case is 1, it will take the input and it will insert in the circular queue and it will break the statement. If the case is 2, it will delete the element from the circular queue. If the case is 3, it will display all the elements which are present in the circular queue. And if the case is 4, it will exit from the switch statement, and default it will print a statement called invalid choice and break the statement, and the controller will come out of this switch statement. Now let us understand this insert function, void insert. If count equal to max, here max in the sense 5, if count equal to 5 means it will print a statement that q is overflow, else print f enter the item to be inserted. If the count value is less than 5, it will print a statement that enter the item to be inserted. And we have made use of scanf statement here, that is scanf %c and item. So the user is going to provide a characteristic input here. So the user will provide only character as an input here, and r equal to r plus 1 percentage of max. So the pointer will get back to the first position as soon as it reaches to the end position. Next, q of r equal to item means, so when the user provides an input over here, it will get stored in the rear end of the queue. Next, count plus plus means increment the count value by 1. Now we'll look into a delete function, that is if count equal to 0, it will print a statement that q is underflow, else it will print a statement that deleted item is %c. Here %c in the sense characters. Next, f equal to f plus 1 percentage of max means the pointer will move towards the next position, and after moving towards the next position it will decrement the value by 1. Next, we'll look on to a display function, that is void display, and we have created one integer variable here, that is int j equal to f and I. Here f in the sense front end, which will start printing the elements from the front of the queue, and we have made use of I here, which will be used in the looping statement. If the count is equal to 0, it will print a statement that q is empty, else it will print a statement called contents of circular queue, or to print all the elements which are present in the circular queue, we have made use of a for loop here, that is for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to count, and I plus plus. At the initial stage, we have set the I value as 1 and I less than or equal to count means till the I value reaches the count value, it will go on incrementing by 1. So after this looping statement, it will print all the elements which are present in the circular queue. For that, we need to write a printf function here, that is printf %c backward slash tab space q of j. It means it will print all the elements which are present in the circular queue. And j equal to j plus 1 percentage of max means moving the variable j to the next position and bringing it back to the start position when it reaches the end of the circular queue. Next, we have set the count value in the printf function so that it will print the total number of items which are present in the circular queue. So this is how the logic of the circular queue works. Next, we'll see the output of it. So when we run the program, it will provide us these certain options. In these options, we have given choice 1 so that we can insert an element here. We have inserted element here and again we have given choice 1 here and we have inserted an element B. Likewise, we have inserted 4 types of elements here, that is A, B, C and D. And next, after inserting the elements, we have given the choice as 3 so that it can display the elements. When we have given the choice as 3, it will display all the elements which are present in the circular queue. Likewise, we can choose different choices for different operations like inserting, deleting and displaying all the elements which are present in the circular queue. So this is how the circular queue program works.